Dance. Dance. You know, back in the day, they used to have a cane, and they'd like twirl it around. Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, hit the little bell so you get every week's recipe. Today, we are making a ginger sesame chicken in the Instapot. It's delicious. And if you are not familiar with the Instapot, it's a pressure cooker. It is the easiest, makes your life easy, quick, fast. You have to get one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the sauce for the sesame ginger chicken. We're going to use popcorn chicken. So it's the kind you buy in the freezer. So we have that cooking right now in the oven. You just cook it the way it says on the bag. And then we're going to make the sauce in the Instapot, add it some more ingredients, show you what it looks like. It's delicious. I am just going to go ahead and hit the saute button for a minute. And we're just going to add everything in. Where's my spoon? So we got some red onion. Super easy. If you are busy, this recipe makes life so much easier. Now I have about 1.5 to 2 inches of fresh minced up garlic, fresh minced up ginger. You could add more or less. I always add more because I really like the flavor and the bite that it gives it. And then we have garlic, a ton of garlic. And then we are going to go ahead and add some soy sauce, just like that. We have a little bit of ketchup. At the end, we're going to add some chili, a little bit of vinegar. It's going to balance out all these flavors. And then a little bit of chopped carrot. This is about 1 cup of chopped carrot. Give it a little zhuzh in there, just like that. And then I always like to add just a little extra water. Stir it around. That's it. We're going to hit the cancel button. Put the lid on. Isn't that easy? Just wait. It's so good. And then we're just going to hit for 1 minute. So that's all we're going to do. High pressure at 1 minute, just like that. It's going to build up pressure. It's going to start cooking. 1 minute, that's all it takes. We want the carrots and the onions and the bell pepper to be a little bit firm, so I'm not going to cook it any longer. And then we'll just add everything back in it. It's going to be so delicious. Put it over some rice. I'll show you what it looks like. So what I did is the timer went off, and I quick released it. So got all the pressure out, and the pressure pin went down. The awe factor. Whoa. Oh, so good. And we're not even done. So you can see everything is firm. I'm going to throw everything else in. So let's hit saute. Let's hit off. Let's hit off. Off. There we go. And then we're going to hit saute. Bring it back up. We're going to make a slurry But first, we're going to add some honey. My daughter loves honey. So yummy. Got on my finger. So good. We're adding a little bit of chili. So you could add whatever chili paste you like. You could add more or less. This is the time to add it or not add it. And if you want to use, we're using popcorn chicken that I cooked in the oven already. But if you wanted to use chicken breast, you could go ahead and at the beginning, when you're making the sauce, add all the sauce ingredients in, add the raw chicken, set the timer for 3 minutes, put the lid back on it, and then add the rest of the ingredients in. It's delicious. So you won't get the breaded, the bread on the popcorn chicken. You just have the raw chicken. It's so good. Now we're also going to add some sesame oil. It's going to add yummy flavors. Just like that. And we're going to make a little slurry. So we want to thicken this up. So we're going to put some cornstarch in a little bit of water. About a tablespoon of cornstarch and about 4 tablespoons of water. Starting to boil. You never want to add the cornstarch in. Just throw it in. It'll get all clumpy and lumpy. So you want to add it in water, make a slurry. Mix that up. Now this is going to thicken as it cooks. And then as it cools, it'll get really thick. It'll coat the chicken. We're just going to go ahead and scoot that up. Put the chicken right there. Rearrange everything. Magically disappear. So the carrots, the bell pepper, the onion, they're still firm, not mushy. And that's exactly how you want it. Then we're going to add the chicken in, just like that. Stir it. So every piece of chicken gets coated, just like that. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Now, if you've seen my orange chicken recipe, a lot of people love that recipe. You could do the popcorn chicken with that same recipe. Just to cook the chicken and the sauce separately. That's it. I miraculously have some white rice. I made this earlier in my other Instapot. Look for that recipe. Super easy, fluffy rice. And it's bubbly hot. What? Want to make sure we get some of that sauce. Oh, wow. Can you see that? Put a little bit of sesame seeds on it. You want to make sure you toast them. Bring out the flavor. A little bit of green onion. I'll be the judge. I'll be the judge of that. See how good it is. I love the sauce. I like extra sauce on mine because I like the rice to soak it in. It's so good. Woo. Oh, wow. It's sweet. You taste the honey, the sesame, the ginger, a little bit of heat, but not too much for me. It's so good. I hope you try it. Let me know what you think. Leave us a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.